Happy Tuesday, everyone. It's Christine. How are you guys today? So it's a bit later in the day. I had some plans this morning. So anyways, I just wanted to talk about today, our job's not for the faint of heart. I actually, just a little bit background about me. I grew up south of Grand Rapids, Michigan. I'm the oldest of 4 children. I have 16 aunt and uncles, and I'm the oldest of 30-something first cousins on both sides. So I've been around kids all my life. I started babysitting when I was 10. And, you know, taking care of kids, you never know what's going to happen. And sometimes it's not pleasant. No, not pleasant at all. And we usually joke around this. At one of my daycare centers, we have one teacher. She can handle throw up. It does not bug her, but blood, oh Lord. Don't call her for something if anyone scrapes a knee or anything. That blood, she is gone, but she can handle throw up in 2 seconds. We call her name out. She is in there. She's taking care of it. She's got her gloves on. She's following sanitation and everything, but not blood. You always have one of those teachers that can handle certain situations, and you figure out real quick which teacher you have to call on. Like, it's just like you're at home when you see a spider. You know which family member can handle spiders and which ones cannot. It's the same thing in the daycare center. You know who can handle the blood, who can handle the throw up. Oh my gosh, let's talk about snot. That's so disgusting. You know when they get that stringy snot and you have that one teacher that's about to throw up because they've got to figure out who's going to take care of the snot. And I'm like, get the gloves on and take care of the snot. Do not throw up on me. Just do it, please. So sometimes it's interesting when we come into situations with the kids and they have to be taken care of. And then of course it comes down to their diapers. You know, your own kids don't smell, but when you have to change someone else's kid's diaper, it smells. And sometimes those new college students, I try not laughing so hard, like, this is so gross. And I'm like, it could be way worse, especially those babies when it goes up the back. So it's always nice to know when you know which staff you can call on when something crazy happens at your center, because like I said, we had that one girl, she was designated. Whenever it came to throw up, we know who we went to go get. Then we had the one for the boo-boos, and then we had the ones for the snot. But yeah, anyways, for sanitation and all that stuff, just make sure you're following your guidelines and you go above standards. Same thing with diaper changes. Not every state you have to wear gloves for diaper changes, but I like my staff to wear gloves. It's a precaution, especially with COVID-19. You can go above and beyond standards and everything. But anyways, I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.